Hi everyone, it's Valerie Sheridan from Easy Peasy Living. Thank you for joining me for some more Wednesday wisdom. In the month of December, we've been talking about ways that we can make the holiday season just a little bit less stressful so that you can actually sit back and enjoy it. One of my very favorite things about the holidays is all the yummy goodies. I have a bit of a sweet tooth, and I absolutely love baking cookies. I did a lot of that growing up with my mom, and to me, it just isn't the holidays if I'm not in the kitchen baking. However, I do understand that there are a lot of people that just aren't into that or don't have the time to do that. Well, today I've got you covered. I am going to share with you the simplest, quickest, and yummiest chocolate mint cookie recipe. And the best part is it only requires 4 ingredients, just 4. So um, if you get invited to a cookie exchange or if you have a party to go to and you want to share some yummy treats from your own kitchen, bring these along, and I guarantee you they will be a hit, and they will never, ever guess how easy it was. Okay, so are you ready? Let's go.
Okay, so all you need for this recipe is a box of Devil's Food Cake mix, a package of Andes candies, 2 eggs, and half a cup of vegetable oil. Put them all in a bowl together and mix until well combined. Then roll them into balls and place them on a cookie sheet. At this point, if you want to, you can just freeze the balls and bake them later and store them in a Ziploc bag. Otherwise, place them in the oven at 350 degrees and bake for 6 to 9 minutes. While you're waiting for them to bake, unwrap your Andes candies so they are all ready to go. You'll know your cookies are done when you get these crinkles in the top and there's no longer any shininess to the dough. Once they're finished, plop an Andes candy on top as soon as you take it out of the oven and let it sit for a few minutes until it gets kind of gooey like this. Then you're going to take an offset spatula and swirl it around to make like a swirly icing. Let it set up until the icing dries, and here they are.
Mmm, spectacular. You guys really need to give these a try. I'm going to link down below to the recipe, and you really need to try these out and let me know what you think. As always, feel free to email me anytime at valerie@easypeasyliving.com. And if you like this video and these cookies, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope you'll join me again next week for some more Wednesday wisdom on how to keep your sanity during the holidays and make it a little less stressful. Until then, keep it easy peasy and bon appetit.